The Retail Shop Leases Act regulates leases of retail premises in Queensland and provides certain advantages to tenants that aren't available under normal commercial leases. Those advantages include a strict disclosure regime by which landlords must provide accurate details of the outgoings payable by the tenant under the lease, and protection from having to pay the landlord's legal costs for preparing the lease. What qualifies as a retail shop lease can be surprising, so keep watching while I tell you a little more about that. I'm John Gallagher from Argonne Law, and I'm going to explain to you briefly what constitutes a retail shop lease in Queensland. The first thing to consider is the usage allowed by the lease. Are the premises to be used wholly or predominantly for a retail purpose? The legislation includes a comprehensive list of retail usages. If your usage is on that list, then the Act applies to your lease. But even if your usage is not on that list, the Act can still apply to your lease if the premises are part of a retail shopping centre. The definition of what constitutes a retail shopping centre is complex, but what it can mean is that leases for office use or for other purposes which you wouldn't normally consider to be retail can be regulated by the Act and give tenants advantages that they wouldn't otherwise have. Don't assume that the Retail Shop Leases Act doesn't apply to your lease. The consequence of a mistake in that regard can be expensive, particularly for a landlord. If you have any doubts, then give us a call at Argonne Law or speak to your legal advisor. And if you have any queries about any other aspect of commercial or retail leasing, I would be very happy to answer them. If you found this video useful, then click below to subscribe to our video blog and visit us at argonnelaw.com.au.